from the river Stone. The orange pliers claim it for their own. Japanese steel carves the cedar limb, while the muddy waste turns bright and slim. Waterproof walls where the secrets reside, building a kingdom with nowhere to hide. Lay the bond in a bed of gray, stone by stone in the mason's way. Moss turns green in the morning mist. The candle glows where the shadows kissed. Pull back the silk, let the master show, stronger than the chimney